Hello friends, welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. This is Rupesh Jadhav. Our today's topic is AIDS and HIV virus. So earlier I have made the video on this virus topic with what are the types of virus, introduction to virus, and also structure of virus and properties of virus. Now today I am taking one example of the virus, that is AIDS virus. Okay. So AIDS, you might be knowing the long form, acquired immunodeficiency, and it is not a disease, it is a syndrome. Okay, it is a syndrome, not a disease. So it was discovered in 1981. Okay, and after that the HIV, that is human immunodeficiency, okay, virus. So HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus was discovered in 1986. Okay, so this is not a disease but it is a syndrome, as I told you earlier. Now which are the taste for viruses? Okay, so number one is ELISA. Okay, let me rub and have some space. So number one is ELISA test. Okay, that is enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. This is the long form of ELISA test. It is just to check out whether a person is suffering from HIV or not. But if the person is suffering from HIV, to confirm whether he is suffering from AIDS, another test is done, that is said to be Western blot test. Okay, so that is also there. Then another test is there, saliva test. So this is saliva test. And last is the viral load test, VLT, viral load test, that is done. Okay, so these are the various types of test done to confirm whether the person is suffering from HIV or AIDS. Now what are the therapies for AIDS? Okay, so there are various therapies for checking out AIDS or curing AIDS. The one is MILV phase 3, that second is AZT3, that is azithromycin, okay, or zydavedinor. So these are the another therapy for AIDS. Then next is NRTI. Okay, NRTI, this is NRTI, that is nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibition. So this is another therapy to check out for therapy for AIDS. Then the next one is ritonavir tab. This question may come. Ritonavir tab of 100 mg. It is given to the person who is suffering from HIV or AIDS. Okay, and the last one is heart. HAART. It is highly active antiretroviral therapy. Basically, ART, which therapy is done for AIDS people, it is ART. Okay, and what is ART? ART is antiretroviral therapy. But heart, which contains ART, has highly active, कुछ ज़्यादा स्तर पे गया तो उसको जल्द से जल्द कंट्रोल में लाने के लिए ये हार्ट थेरेपी की जाती है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट द various therapies for AIDS and the test for AIDS. I think you like this video, so please give like, put comment in comment box. Your comment are more valuable for me and it will motivate me to make another videos on these such topics. And also this video is very much helpful for the students who are preparing for civil services, state civil services, various competitive exams, students who are preparing for NEET, students who have biology as their subject, and moreover the students who have agriculture and who are going for all types of exams. So recent in this COVID-19 situation, the virus, the question on virus may be definitely there. Okay, so please give like, put comment, share this video as much as you can, and also subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Thank you.